Welcome, Steve here. Today we're working on this Delta 16.5-inch drill press. Now it's an oldie, but it's a goodie. Years ago I'd changed the gears in it when we could buy parts for it, and there's nothing wrong with it, but the spring is broken. And the problem with these old Deltas is you can't buy parts anymore. But I'm going to show you where you can get a new spring, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Now this spring here is actually from a King drill press. They're very similar, but you're going to need to do a little bit of modifying on it. So this one here has already had everything taken off. I'm just going to show you something. Now, if you're ever wondering how this comes out, it's just like that. Pretty simple. Now this. Basically, you got a little groove right here. I'm going to zoom in. Alright, the spring is pretty simple. Just a coiled up spring, and this is where it always breaks. Just breaks right there. And this is a school, so you know the environment's a bit of a tough one. So they let the handle flip up, and you know, at home this might not have happened, but if it has. So basically you just put that over top, and now you're just spinning this counterclockwise until we have enough tension on the spring to lift up the chuck. And I'm just going to hold it here and see where we're at. Not bad. Probably could go one more. So you gotta be careful. Make sure you're holding on to it. Just gonna go grab the nut. Just using a nylon lock nut here, because you don't want to have this too tight, because the shaft has to spin on there. Give that a try right there. Could be a little tighter. Just going to turn it one more time, so we'll just loosen this off. That works good. Recoil is not too stiff, so it's not going to slam back. So this is relatively an easy fix. The problem is getting this part, and that's why I'm going to do a YouTube video on it. So I'm going to find the number for you, and if yours is broken, then you can order one and make the repair. Now I have in the past bought these And the little groove that fits in this notch right here was a little bit too narrow on the spring. So what you may end up having to do is just grind it a little bit with the grinder on the edge. But this one here seems to work just fine and dandy. Got a new locking nut on there. That should be good until the kids break it next time. So I ordered 2 of them. So there's the fix for the Delta. Now it works the same for your 14-inch drill press, so it doesn't really matter. There's the fix. Till next time.